Alrighty, in this video here I'm going to be creating copies of all the components and then assembling the components. Now copies are a great thing to do if you know that the components are the same, they might just be oriented differently. So I'm going to need 4 legs here, so I'm going to start with my leg, I'm going to right click on it, select copy, then I'm going to click anywhere out here in the modelling area and then select right click again and select paste new. That's going to give me a brand new leg, and right now it's sitting right smack bang over the top of the other one, so I'm going to drag it away from it and just turn it in the direction that I need so that the joints are facing each other. I'm going to keep doing that, so I can keep going paste new at this point for each leg until I've got all 4 legs and they're all oriented as I need them. Got to do one more. So go over here, and then swivel it. Alright, so there's my 4 legs. Next I need to do the same with the rail. So I'll right click on the rail, copy, right click out here, paste new. And again, I'm going to put these in their rough orientation that I need them. The orientation is important because it will make it easier when I go to apply joints to these components. Alright, so now I've got my 4 rails, my 4 legs and my top, and I'm ready to assemble this into a project. To assemble, we'll use the joint tool. This one here, J for joint. Now I can go ahead and select a position of a component and attach it to another. This first leg was my first component, so I'm going to attach everything to that one. I'll start with this rail over here that I can see the end of. I know that this position on the joint is going to be visible on the outside of the leg, so I'm going to select that first, zoom back out, then select the top of that joint on my leg. Right, that's one in place. Once I've positioned that, I can press OK, and I'm going to keep doing that for each of the legs to attach them onto that first leg. Whatever component I click first is going to move to whatever I click second. So go back and join this one spot, swivel around, and then the next position here. Press OK, and I'll just keep on following. Okay, there's all my legs and rails assembled into the table. Last thing I need to do is attach the top onto this table. Still going to use a joint for that. I'm going to select this corner from the underside of the top there, and then the corresponding corner will be on the top of this leg here. And one thing I do need to do now that I've placed this in position is offset it so that the shadow line allows the edges of this top to be in line with the legs. So I'm going to offset in that direction by 5, and then I'll flip around to the other direction and I'll offset that one by 5 as well. Now that I've done that, I can press OK, and there we go, we've got the top on the frame. So there's the table all created. Make sure I save my work. The last thing I need to do with this is create a technical drawing, and that technical drawing will be in the next video.